Jesus Merkel Crusade International Ministry, the Beloved Children's Choir. Praise the Lord.
Something give thanks to the Lord for his unfailing love and his wonderful deeds for men. For he satisfies the thirsty and fills the hungry